Hey, welcome to Mr. Mouse Trucking. Today's tutorial, I will show you a technique on locating your tires. Yes. Do you know where your tires are at when you're coming up to a cone zone and you're scared of the wall? Well, I'll show you a little trick. Let's get into it. Well, you're driving down the road. You look at the whole picture. You have the fault line on the right, the dotted line zipper on the fault line, the solid white line on the right side. You want to see where it comes to the bottom of your windshield. The way I see it, middle height on the seat, the white line hits my wiper blade right there where the hole is, the two holes. So I use that as a bullseye, put it on the white line, and that'll tell me where my tires are to that white line, to the fault line. Normally I don't do any of this because I've been driving so long, it just comes natural, the way the whole picture looks to me where I'm sitting. But whenever I come to a construction zone and they have the barricade right there on the fault line, I don't have to worry about, hey, I'm gonna rub against the fault line, or I'm gonna rub against the wall because I don't know where my tires are. It's a pretty neat thing to know, because if you're driving down the road, it's okay to be out here in the middle lane, well, in the middle of your lane. But by doing that, you only have like a foot between the zipper and your vehicle, your tractor trailer. So if anybody passes you up in the hammer lane and they're looking at their phone or talking or whatever, they cross that line, you just reduced your reaction time to a fraction of a second. Hey, that sounded technical, huh? So if you move closer to the fault line, like right about there, you'll have maybe 2.5 foot between your vehicle and the zipper. So if anything happens, you'll have more time to react, to move over or whatever. So you're probably thinking, hey, it's raining, my wipers are on, and I don't know where my tires are at. Well, I'll tell you what, eyeball it when it comes down. Now, seriously, if you have your wipers on, find another bullseye point. For those of you like to ride high in the seat, you can look at the hood. There's a crease in my hood. Most of my videos, you'll see that white line, that fault line, is always on the right side of the crease of the hood, because I'm riding like 1 inch, 2 inches from the fault line. So if you use your imagination, you see the fault line coming down here. It hits the wiper blade right there at the two little holes. But if I have my wipers on, so I find another point. If I sit real high up, yeah, it's right there at the crease of the hood. Or you could have an imaginary white line coming through your truck, and that fault line is hitting my vent on my truck on the top left corner. So I use that to eyeball that fault line. So by doing all this, you know where your tires are on the right side of your truck. You don't have to be scared of the wall when you go to the construction zone. And plus, you'll have more safety cushion on the left side of the truck. If anything should happen, anybody passing you up, a gust of wind blows the truck, big truck over, you have time to react. So next time you're driving down the road, check it out. Eyeball the fault line on your wiper blades or the crease of the hood or anything in your truck. And then look in your rear view mirror on the right, see where that line is, and then go from there. This also works in your personal vehicle. Same thing, same principle. You have to sit in the vehicle the way you always sit. I mean, don't have your left leg or your left foot on the dash or sticking out the window. I don't think my technique will work on that. I've seen drivers driving down the road with their big foot hanging out the window. But sit normally in your seat. Don't do this, don't do this, just sit normal. The way you always sit, and then do everything, and you'll be good to go. Now, you know,